Hello, I'm Brian Tracy. Now, you may know me as a speaker and trainer on personal development, sales skills, and success, and as an author of more than 70 books that have been translated into 42 languages. I want to introduce you to another friend, a young man whose work I have followed and who I believe has a story and a message that are extremely valuable for you as you pursue your dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please join me in welcoming three-time Olympic medal winner, inspiration for the popular Disney film Cool Runnings, which I've seen twice, and internationally recognized author and coach, Devon Harris.
In order to be happy, you need resilience, right? If you want to be successful, you need resilience, right? You need resilience in order to pursue anything that is worthwhile, happiness, contentment, success. And you have to, come up against some hardships, some challenges, right? In order to learn a new skill or develop a successful career, a strong team, foster strong relationships. Anything worthwhile, as I said earlier, right? In other words, if you want to live the good life, you're going to have to deal with some hardships, some setbacks, some pain, God forbid, sometimes some trauma and some tragedy. That's just the way life is set up, unfortunately. That's the thing with resilience, man. Gratitude, happiness, those kinds of emotions we can always experience them when things are going well for us. But there's no way to become mentally tougher, emotionally stronger, resilient, unless you go through some stuff. Right? So resilience, I think one of the thing about resilience is that when people hear it, they think in terms of bounce back. How many times have you heard that term, bounce back from a setback? And I get it, but I don't buy it wholeheartedly, because if we limit our understanding of resilience to just bouncing back, to just kind of getting back to a place where we were, then we miss out on the opportunity to grow personally, to become mentally tougher and emotionally stronger through the hardships and the pain and the suffering that life has to offer for us. And so as we go through this journey of going from pain to wisdom, from suffering to strength and success, it is through resilience. How do you develop that? The first one is responsibility. The very first step to becoming resilient is to take responsibility for who you are and your life. It's not about assigning blame at all. It's about a recognition that you have total control over your actions, and hence you have to accept total responsibility for the results as well, right? There are consequences to your action. One of the ways in which you deal with I call them the stressors in your life. It could be a circumstance, it could be a particular situation. Again, we're all experiencing COVID-19. The way you view those experiences in your life will determine whether or not they are minimized or their effects is increased, right? That's what you call reframing, and I wish I could take credit for coining the word, but no, it's a time-honored kind of idea that is recommended by psychologists, right? That says, hey, you have to take the challenging experiences that you have and view them in such a way that it gives you a sense of peace, and more importantly, in my mind, a sense of control. And then my third is relaunch. I said it earlier, there's always going to be obstacles standing between you and your goals, right? If you dream of big things, know that life is going to test you, man. Life really wants to know how committed you are to this thing that you want, that you claim you want. Life will test you if you dream of big dreams. If you dream big dreams, if you want to offer amazing service, life is going to test that. It's just part of the process, and your ability to persist, your ability to keep on pushing is really the answer to that challenge that life throws at you.